Hi everyone, Ravi this side. Welcome to Engineering Adda. So in this video, I am going to show you how you can create your first Angular application. So this is the Angular series. In the earlier videos, I have already showed you how you can set up your local environment to carry out the Angular project. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and please watch those video first. Okay, so in this video, we are going to create the Angular application. So let me go to the browser and then show you how you can create it. So please go to the site Angular CLI and there you will find the commands to create the Angular application. So if you are new to the Angular, you can use this documentation. So you can see this is the command to create the project. Okay, and to host your project, this is the command. So let me go to the folder. So I'm going to create our application here in this folder fab. So let me go inside it and let me open a command prompt here. Okay, now let me go to the browser and you need to copy this command. Okay, now come here and just paste it out. So this is the command ng new and then you need to provide your project name. Let's say I'm going to create my project with the name Angular demo, something like that. Angular demo. Okay, and just hit enter. So it will take few seconds to create your project. So it is asking us to, would you like to add Angular routing? So let's say no for this project. And then it is asking us which style sheet format would you like to use. So let's say I'm going to use the CSS and the pointer is there on the CSS. So just enter. Okay. So it is started installing the packages and it has created couple of files here. You can see. So it will take few seconds to create our whole project. Okay, so just wait for that. And till then, let me go to the browser and then show you what the next command we need to do. So once our project is created, we need to go to the folder in our project. Okay, so we need to go inside the project and then to host our project, to run our project, you need to run this command ng-serve. And if you want to open a default browser on which your application will be up, then you can use the command ng-serve space minus minus open. So I will show you how it is doing. So let me go to the command prompt. So you can see it has successfully installed the packages and it has created a application for us. Let me show you inside the folder. You can see it has created the application Angular demo. Okay, so let me go to the command prompt. Now let me go inside the application that we have created. So it is Angular demo. Okay, so we are inside it. Now we need to run the command ng-serve minus minus open. Okay, and then enter. So it will run your application. Okay, so let's say now. Okay, so it has started generating the application bundle and in few seconds it will make your application up. So the default port for the application is 4200. So you can see it has automatically open a browser, default browser, and there it has run this URL which is localhost 4200, and this is the default port for the Angular, and your application is up here. Okay, so this is how you can create your first Angular application. Okay, now what I need to show you. So let me try to show you what all the component that we have generated, how the component is looking like. So what I will do, I will try to open this project in the Visual Studio Code. So let me try to do Control C here, and then we are inside the application. So you need to type the command code space dot. So it will open up your project inside the Visual Studio. So just trust it out. Okay, so you can see it has created this whole project. Okay, and these are the folders that we have created. So let me try to explain you. So if you'll go inside the node modules, so you can see it has installed all the dependency that you need for this project. Okay, so minimize this. If you go inside the source, you can see app. So if you need to go to the app, you can see these are the component that it has created: app component.css, app component.html, app component spec.ts, app component.ts, app module.ts. So these are the files that it has created, and these are the main files for this application. Okay, so this app component.css and app component.html are the files for the designing, and app component.ts is the main file where you have to write your business logic. Okay, and coming to the index.html, this is the main page where the application is rendering. So this is about this video, guys. In the next video I will cover the basic details of these files and how they are behaving. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and please subscribe the channel for more such content. Thanks.